Hello student, today we will do question number 5 from exercise 4.2 NCERT Math Books class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 5. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, find the other two sides. So let the base be x and altitude be 7 less, means x minus 7 according to question. Hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, and according to Pythagoras theorem we know that 13 square is equal to x square plus x minus 7 square. And so this x square plus x square minus 14x plus 49 equal to 169. If we'll bring this side, then this will be 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 is equal to 0. 2x square minus 14x minus 0 is equal to 0. Now we will divide both sides by 2, then it will be x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. If you will split middle term, then x square plus 5x minus 12x minus 60 is equal to 0. If we take common x plus 5 minus 12 x plus 5 is equal to 0. If we take common x plus 5 x minus 12 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus 5 and 12. So minus 5 is not possible because length cannot be negative, so this is 12, means therefore base is equal to 12 centimeter and altitude is equal to 13 centimeter. Not 13, less, 5 less, means 7 less, means 5 centimeter. This is the answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next questions. Till then, take care. Thank you.